Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to disable Play Voice during phone calls in Google Maps. So if you need help disabling Play Voice during phone calls in Google Maps, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, open Google Maps. Make sure you're logged into your Google account. Now all you have to do is tap on your profile icon that you can see at the top right corner. Now you have to tap on Settings. The settings option is at the second last. All you have to do is tap on it. Now, after settings is open, you can see several options like app language, offline map settings, Wi-Fi only, etc. All you have to do is tap on the navigation settings option. Scroll down and here you can see navigation settings option. All you have to do is tap on it. Now here you can see several options: sound and voice, mute state, guidance volume, etc. You can also find play voice during phone calls option right over here. All you have to do is toggle this button and that's it. That is how you disable play voice during phone calls in Google Maps. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.